English Welsh. Learn, go, equals.
Mynd.
Fast. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today you'll master the Welsh verb for go.
Mynd.
Buckle up, smile, and let's roll. Your learning goal today. By the end, you can say who goes where, fast and confidently. Main target, go equals.
Mynd.
You go equals.
Ti'n mynd.
He goes equals.
Mae e'n mynd.
She goes equals.
Mae hi'n mynd.
We go equals.
Rydyn ni'n mynd.
You, plural, go equals.
Rydych chi'n mynd.
They go equals.
Mae nhw'n mynd.
And when plans change, it's okay equals.
Mae'n iawn.
Funny mini dialogue. Let's act it out. Say the Welsh out loud with me. You, ready to go? Friend, totally.
Mae'n iawn.
My shoelace is cooperating. You, to one friend, you go first.
Ti'n mynd.
Narrator. Look, he goes for snacks.
Mae e'n mynd.
She goes for maps.
Mae hi'n mynd.
You, to the team. We go together.
Rydyn ni'n mynd.
Guide, to the crowd. You all go through this door.
Rydych chi'n mynd.
Meanwhile, the others? They go the scenic route.
Mae nhw'n mynd.
Slowly because selfies. Beat and repeat drill. Clap, breathe, and echo me. Rhythm makes it stick. Say, go, 3 times.
Mynd. Mynd. Mynd.
You go.
Ti'n mynd.
He goes.
Mae e'n mynd.
She goes.
Mae hi'n mynd.
We go.
Rydyn ni'n mynd.
You, plural, go.
Rydych chi'n mynd.
They go.
Mae nhw'n mynd.
If your tongue trips, smile and say.
Mae'n iawn.
Culture tip. Welsh on the move. Here's a tiny tip to sound savvy. Use.
Mynd.
For go, in general, for walk, you'll often hear.
Cerdded.
And come is.
Dod.
At festivals and hikes in Wales, friends rally with.
Rydyn ni'n mynd.
If someone's late, a calm.
Mae'n iawn.
Keeps the mood cheerful. Quick quiz. Answer out loud, fast and fearless. How do you say, she goes, in Welsh? Answer.
Mae hi'n mynd.
Say, you, plural, go, to a group. Answer.
Rydych chi'n mynd.
Give the Welsh for, we go. Answer.
Rydyn ni'n mynd.
Translate, it's okay. Answer.
Mae'n iawn.
Quick. The base verb, go, is. Answer.
Mynd.
Challenge time. Level up, tiny story, big win. Make a 5-second story using 3 forms.
Ti'n mynd. Mae e'n mynd. Mae nhw'n mynd.
Quote. Switch to team spirit. Okay.
Mae'n iawn. Rydyn ni'n mynd.
Exclamation mark quote. Bonus. Give a friendly instruction to a crowd with.
Rydych chi'n mynd.
And point the way. Wrap up and thanks. You crushed it, high five. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, whisper.
Mynd.
At the door and celebrate mistakes with.
Mae'n iawn.
For more lessons, games, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.